Namaste, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's our topic is women entrepreneurship. Women entrepreneurship is the process whereby a woman takes the lead and organize the business or an industry and provides employment to others. Through it, it is a new phenomena in India. A women entrepreneurs enterprise is the termed as a SSI unit, industry related services or businesses. Enterprise is managed by one or more women entrepreneurs. Is a proprietary concern in which they individually jointly have share capital of the not less than 51%. This term signifies that the section of female population who venture out into the industrial activity, manufacturing, assembling, job works, repair, servicing. They are key player in developing countries. Women role in the term of their share in a small business have been increasing. The fact of the study are women own 1.3 of small business in USA and Canada. Britain has seen increase in workforce. They three times better than men. Women makes 40% of total workforces in the Asian countries. In Japan, the percentage of women entrepreneurs increased from the 2.4% in the 1918 to 5.2% in 1995. Indian women have increasing opportunities like higher level of education, economics compulsion, constitutional rights. Indian women victim of the social evil like dowry, sati pratha, a large mass of women inordinate to their right today just as they were before independence. Problem of women entrepreneurs. There are various problems faced by the women entrepreneur from the idea initiating to till enterprise life. Partialized society, absence of entrepreneurial aptitude, marketing problem, financial problem, family conflicts, credit facilities, shortage of raw material, heavy consumption, high cost of production, social barriers, problem of the middleman, lack of the information, lack of confidence, lack of access to technology, lack of training, late start, involvement of high risk legal formalities. Hence, there are the problems which affect the human to start up or enterprise. Suggestion for the improvement. Here are some suggestions are grow up as a leader, initiator, entrepreneurship, which is change in attitude, training, increase in the mobility, initiation into the professional work, self-recognition, decision, making authority, provision of the amenities, support of the family, increase in the marginal skills, region for the starting as the entrepreneurs. When women move forward, the family moves, the village moves, and the nation moves. Is right said by the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Women set up and the enterprise due to the economic as well as the non-economic reason. Various reasons can be due motivational factor, facilitating factors. Motivation factors are economic necessity, self and the independence, government policies, programmers, and education and qualification, role model to the others, employment generation, self identity, and social status, success stories of friends and relatives, family occupations. Facilitating factors are adequate financial facilities, self satisfaction, innovation thinking, network of contract, cooperation of the family, experienced and skilled women, people at work, support of the family members, steps taken by the government, women entrepreneurship play an important role in the economic development of the nation. The government of the India has taken various steps to the promote women entrepreneur, which is during 1980s. During 1980, lot of programs under different sectors of the agriculture activities, poultry, animal husbandry, small scale industry were implemented for the women. In 1990, the government started various training come employment generation program in order to make them independent and the self-confident. Second one is the 8 5 year plan. In the plan, serious steps have been taken by the government to increase employment and the income generating activities for the women. The government set up the women cooperatives. With full financial assistance, Khadi and the village industries were set up various schemes like Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, Entrepreneur Program were launched. Third one is the Association of Lady Entrepreneurs of the Andhra Pradesh. This was set in December 1993 to develop entrepreneur skills among women, and it also provided assistance in the marketing of the products. Fourth one is the ninth five-year plan. The government has adopted a special strategies called Women Component Plan, according to which 30% of funds are earmarked in all women-related sectors. A scheme thread that means trade-related entrepreneurship assistance and development was introduced in 1998 to develop entrepreneur skills of the women. Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana was amended on the April 1999 in order to provide age relaxation. Swarna Jayanti Swarojgar Yojana was introduced to assist and encourage women. Schemes like Mahila Udyan Nidhi Mahila Vikas microcredit scheme were launched to provide Nidhi training and the extension support services and to provide financial assistance. Government of Andhra Pradesh supported in the setting up the many industry, electronic garment, handmade paper, computer, hardware, etc. Fifth one is the consortium of the women entrepreneur in India. It was set up in India to assist the women entrepreneur in the finding innovative techniques of the production and the finance. Sixth one is the Mahila Vikas Nidhi. During 1990 to 2001, a cumulative assistance of rupees 18 for 4 million was scattered to this scheme to promote the women. Microcredit schemes are SADBI sanctions as the aggregate assistance of the 180.50 million to develop women entrepreneur. And the eighth one is the under the scheme of Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana loan was granted to women entrepreneurs. Ninth one is the 1993 Rashtriya Mahila Kosh was set up of the provide financial assistance. The government also started the training program for the development of the self-employment women. A number of agencies like National Institute of the Small Scale Industries, Extension, Start Financial Corporation was the setup to the train women. District industries center were also set up by the government in the order to organize lectures, seminar in the girls' college. The University Grant Commission also made the of the entrepreneurship mandatory is the order to develop entrepreneurship skills. From above point, we are clear that the government has recognized the role of the woman. So this is all about the entrepreneurship, women entrepreneurship, reason of the law, and the why women are not given the entrepreneurship, and what is the problem women have faced in the entrepreneurship. Thank you.